esteemed guests, dedicated educators, proud parents, and our young, vibrant students. We are delighted to present our annual day musical play, Family, Roots and Wings. This captivating narrative explores the profound impact of family upbringing on individual destinies, illustrating how neglected roots can sow the seeds of challenges in children's life. Scripted by our own talented teachers under expert guidance of our principal, the play addresses the pressing societal issues of separation, panic attack, murder, and suicide. It traces these problems back to flawed family dynamics such as emotional neglect, poor communication, and unstable home environment, which can fracture young minds through an early age. This play vividly portrays how these issues first manifest in school life through behavioral struggle, academic decline, and mental health crisis, tragic come-outs, through gripping dramas, songs, and performances, illustrates how strong family roots built on love, guidance, and value can prevent these vices while granting wings for resilience, purposeful lives as a young adult. We invite you to take your seats for this enlightening journey that underscores the importance of family as the cornerstone of youthful strength. Ladies and gentlemen, Don Bosco English Medium School proudly presents Family, Roots and Wings.
Angel is taking ground in heaven. After finishing his round in heaven, he decides to go to earth. While going towards earth, he hears someone's loud laughter and music.
دوس عندي خوش فاصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش راك الصح يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فاصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش راك الصح عندي لك رقصة قوية يا الحبيب سمع الصب.
Hey Shaitan, what happened? You seems to be very happy.
I am happy because soon I am going to get a Best Devil Award from my boss for completing my target.
Which target?
बहुत जल्द मुझे मेरी बची हुई 4 आत्माएं मिलने वाली है।
अरे तुम कहना क्या चाहते हो?
रुको जरा सब्र करो बताता हूँ।
क्या बताना चाहते हो तुम मुझे?
देखो ये 4 लोग जिन्होंने मेरी आवाज सुनी और वैसा ही करते रहे जैसे मैं चाहता था।
How can you say this so confidently?
Come, I will show you मैंने क्या चाल चली है। इस टारगेट को पूरा करने के लिए सालों से प्लान किया था मैंने।
What kind of plan, devil?
Let me introduce you with first case.
This story is about Vikram and Rukmini.
Check.
Every marriage begins with a promise. A promise spoken softly, believed deeply. But promises are fragile things. When trust cracks, love bleeds quietly until silence turns into screams and a home turns into a courtroom.
Mr. Vikram, Mrs. Rukmani, this is your final hearing for divorce. Before I decide, I want to hear why your marriage reached this point.
Because he betrayed me. He broke my trust again and again. I felt alone even when I was married. Because every time I needed him, he chose his friends, his comfort, and finally another woman. Every time I cried, he walked away. Every time I asked for attention, he said I was demanding.
Order. Mr. Vikram, now you tell what happened.
Because she always suspected me, always complained. I was suffocating in that house. Nothing I did was ever enough. Every time I felt like complaint least. She never wanted a partner. She wanted someone to serve her, just like her parents did. She refused to lift a plate, refused to help in the house, and then accused me of running away from responsibility.
They loved each other once. There was laughter before the accusations.
Please! Love dies the moment ego speaks louder than truth. ये सब तो मैंने बहुत पहले से प्लान कर रखा था.
Plan? What kind of plan, devil?
Let's go back. I will show you how Rukmini and Vikram were over-pampered when they were kids.
Let's see the past of Vikram and Rukmini that shaped them both.
अरे क्या हुआ मेरे बाबू को? Why do you look so upset? Teacher got angry with me. Angry? How can she do that?
ऐसे कैसे गुस्सा किया? What happened?
I didn't finish my homework.
It happens. Even adult miss work sometimes. सिर्फ होमवर्क के लिए मेरे बेटे को डांट दिया. समझते क्या है अपने आप को?
इतना ही नहीं डैडी, you know what? मुझे पूरा दिन क्लास के बाहर खड़ा किया. देखा, ये तो हद है. बच्चा ही है वो, कोई क्रिमिनल नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं विक्रम, तुम टेंशन मत लो. मैं कल टीचर को देखता हूँ.
ओके.
This is the beginning of my plan. Pamper your child. लाड करा, लाड करा, लाड करा. असली ट्विस्ट कहानी में तब आएगा जब वे दोनों मिलेंगे.
Rukmini, wake up, dear. You're already getting late.
Mom, I got up.
Oh, my little princess has got up. I am coming. ये लो और जल्दी जल्दी ब्रश करो.
Mom, where is my school uniform?
Yes, beta, I am drinking. मागो फिर दिया, तू बैठ जा.
मॉर्निंग प्रिंसेस.
गुड मॉर्निंग डैड.
क्या हुआ मेरी जान को? मूड खराब है सुबह सुबह.
पापा आई एम लिटिल लेट. देखो ना मम्मा ने आज फिर लेट करा दिया. अभी तक मेरी बैग भी पैक नहीं की.
डोंट फियर, योर पापा इज नियर. आई विल पैक योर बैग.
पापा टाइम है शूलेस.
हाँ अभी बात तो.
देखा, जब मम्मी पापा सब करते हैं तो मेहनत क्यों करनी?
As the year passed, Vikram and Rukmini grew up and entered their teenage years.
Dad, I need 1,000 rupees for party with my friends.
Vikram, just yesterday you have taken 1,000 rupees from me, and today again you want money. Do you even know where it's going?
It's nothing, Dad. My all friends go out and spend money. Don't worry.
Why are you asking him so many questions? Let him enjoy. अब enjoy नहीं करेगा तो हमारी उम्र में करेगा. वैसे भी जो कुछ हमारा है वो सब उसका ही तो है.
Doorbell rang. Two stylish teenage girls stands outside.
Vikram, come fast. We are getting late.
Mom, don't wait for me. I'll be home by 10 o'clock.
10. Honey, party will never end at 10 o'clock. Auntie, party 12 बजे तक चलेगी. Okay बेटा, take your time.
Okay, then 12 o'clock I will manage.
Beta Vikram, take this 1,000 rupees. Enjoy.
विक्रम, wait. Take this extra 1,000 और पापा को मत बताना.
You are the best mom in the world.
हाँ, वो तो मैं हूँ ही.
But every story has two sides. If Vikram's upbringing shaped the man he became, then Rukmini's upbringing shaped the woman she grew into. We must step into her past as well.
आगे देखो होता है.
Mega sell today only. Papa, I need money. My friends are going shopping today. Sale is going on.
How much?
10,000.
इतना कैश नहीं प्रिंसेस. You take my card.
सर क्या बोले थे? सर क्या बोले थे?
Thank you, Papa. You're the best.
Rukmini, before you go, will you help me in the kitchen?
Mummy, you know I don't like doing all these things. Don't tell me. ये सब आप ही करो.
It's okay, beta. You go with your friends. I'll manage.
This is what I want. लाड करा, लाड करा, लाड करा. अभी तो ट्विस्ट आना बाकी है.
In Vikram's family,
अब टाइम आ गया है कि विक्रम की शादी करा दी जाए ताकि उसे जिम्मेदारी का एहसास हो।
हाँ, एक लड़की है मेरी नजर में। हाँ, रुक्मिनी, अच्छे खासे अमीर लोग हैं।
In Rukmini's family.
रुक्मिनी के लिए एक अच्छा रिश्ता आया है। मुझे तो लड़का बहुत सुशील और सुंदर लगा।
नेक काम में देरी किस बात की? आज ही उनको बुलाओ।
Vikram's parents come to Rukmini's house to talk about marriage. And marriage was fixed. Two different childhood, two different acceptations, yet love brought them together. They built a home. And then, for a while, it seemed enough. Rukmini became a mother to a beautiful baby boy. They named him Kabir, a name full of hope and blessings. A little boy unaware of the past, carrying hope for the future. Years passed. Kabir grew from a baby into a curious, innocent, 8 years old boy.
In the quiet of the morning light, we gather close, everything feels right. Laughter echoes through these walls. Love's the bond that carries us all. Side by side, we'll weather every storm. Hearts as one, forever safe and warm. No matter where this road may lead, family is all we'll ever need. Memories we build day by day, little moments never fade away. Through every trial, joy and tear, together we grow year by year. Side by side, we'll weather every storm. Hearts as one, forever safe and warm. No matter where this road may lead, family is all we'll ever need. Hands together, strong and true. Every dream is brighter with you. The love we share will always stay, guiding us along the way. Side by side, we'll weather every storm. Hearts as one, forever safe
No matter where this road may lead, family is all we'll ever need. Side by side, we'll weather every storm. Hearts as one, forever safe and warm. No matter where this road may lead, family is all we'll ever need. Family is all we'll ever need.
हंसती खेलती मस्ती से भरी दुनिया प्यार की दुनिया ख्वाब की नाज़ में पली मिस्री की डली नाज़ में पली मिस्री की डली It's my family It's my family It's my family
मस्ती से भरी दुनिया प्यार की दुनिया ख्वाब की नाज़ों में पली मिस्री की डली
नाज़ों में पली मिस्री की डली नाज़ों में पली मिस्री की डली It's my family
It's my family
It's my family
It's my family
Hey, it's my family It's my family It's my family It's my family
ओ भाई, इनके बचपन में मैंने जो टाइम बम लगाया था उसके फटने का टाइम आ गया है।
Check.
Vikram and Kabir are having breakfast. Vikram's mother is serving them. Rukmini is busy looking at a shopping site on her phone.
Look at Rukmini. She is still on her phone. Who will do this household work? बाई, मला तर काही कळतच नाही. मी ह्या घरची सासूबाई आहे का कामवाली बाई?
Vikram, let's go for shopping today. There's a sale. I want the dress and a new bag.
Rukmini, not today. We must save.
अरे नहीं, इसका तो हर बार का बहाना है। खुद पार्टी करता है फ्रेंड के साथ, तब तो सेविंग नहीं सुस्ती से।
You always say that. Before marriage, you promise you never say no to me.
भाई सीधा बोल दे, पैसा नहीं है।
रुक्मिनी, मैं कोई एटीएम मशीन नहीं हूँ जो बटन प्रेस किया और पैसे आ गए।
So now I am too expensive. शादी के पहले तो बोला था रानी बना के रखूंगा और शादी के बाद नौकरानी बना दिया।
ओ, अभी ऐसे बोल रही है। देखा देखा, कल ही नया ड्रेस खरीदा और फिर से उसको बाहर जाना है। घर का काम कौन करेगा?
Rukmini, just yesterday only you have brought some dresses and again you want? Still these plates are unwashed.
बोल दो, मैं कोई बाई नहीं हूँ।
मैं कोई बाई नहीं हूँ। I didn't came here to wash plates and sweep floors. My mommy never made me all these things. Why should I suffer here?
इसलिए तो प्रॉब्लम है। कुछ सिखाने घर पे। Mom is just asking for a little help.
Mama, Papa, don't fight again. I'm scared.
Suddenly, Vikram's phone ring.
Hello?
Where are you, Vikram? I am waiting for you in coffee shop. Can't wait to see you. Please come fast.
यार ये कितनी औसम है। चल चल भाई, फ्री वाली कॉफी भी मिलेंगी और फ्री वाली काउंसलिंग भी।
I am also. I will come in 10 minutes. Mom, I am going to office. Don't wait for me. I'll be late.
Okay, बेटा.
Vikram went
Come,
out.
Kabir.
Mother-in-law took Kabir with her. Rukmini calls her mother and starts complaining about Vikram.
Hello, Mom.
Yes, beta. What happened? You sounded disturbed.
Yes, Mom. Vikram तो मेरी चिंता ही नहीं है. He doesn't give me time at all. He is always out partying with his friends. And when I complain, he suddenly talks about saving. वो तो मुझे बाहर भी नहीं लेके जाता. I feel completely ignored.
रुक्मिनी, जरा होश में आओ। विक्रम पर नजर रखो। दिन रात घर से बाहर रहता है। क्या सच में सिर्फ दोस्तों के साथ होता है या किसी और के साथ? Keep a close eye on him.
Yes, Mummy. Even I also think that Vikram is hiding something from me.
Okay, beta. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Papa, look, I made a drawing. Please, Papa, help me to color it.
Tell your mother, Kabir. मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ.
Please, Papa.
रुक्मिनी, 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 where are you?
What happened, Vikram?
What happened? Don't you pay even a little attention to Kabir? I work all day at the office. Come home completely exhausted. And even after that, I have to handle everything myself.
Before Rukmini can
आपका
reply,
कबीर का ध्यान भी मैं ही रखूं.
before Rukmini can reply, Vikram's mother walks in from another room and starts mocking her.
Oh, leave it, Vikram, बेटा. She spent whole day on her phone. अपनी माँ से चुगली करने से फुर्सत मिली तो बच्चे और घर पे ध्यान दे पाएगी ना.
To be honest, I don't find any peace even after coming home.
Suddenly, Vikram
Sometimes I feel it's better to stay at office than be here.
Suddenly, Vikram's phone message tone rings. He checks his phone and smiles.
ये जो ऐसे मुस्कुरा रहा है जरूर कोई राज छुपा रहा है। गो चेक इस फोन रुक्मिनी।
Oh, give.
Last night
give.
was too beautiful.
Give.
Who is Anita, Vikram?
Rukmini, wait. She's just a friend.
Friend, don't send this.
You're always misunderstanding, Rukmini.
I was waiting for you all night, calling you again and again, and she is missing you. Am I stupid? Am I blind? Then explain last night. Explain why you hide your phone like I am the enemy.
Oh, please. आप ऐसे मत दिखाओ कि मेरे अकेले की गलती है. With you, I don't feel like husband anymore. I feel like ATM machine. You always complain about something. Because of you, I went outside to find some peace. What is so wrong in that?
I don't even understand anymore why I am with you. अब मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं रह सकती. इससे अच्छा है कि हम सेपरेट हो जाए.
Fine. मुझे भी कोई शौक नहीं तुम्हारे साथ रहने का.
Once trust cracks, every word becomes a weapon. And that night, their marriage shattered completely.
उसवले धागे उसवले धागे कसे कधी उसवले धागे कसे कधी सैल झाली गाठ हो उसवले धागे कसे कधी सैल झाली गाठ
पावला नाही कळेना पावला नाही कळेना का हरवली वाट
उसवले धागे कसे कधी उसवले धागे कसे कधी
पापा प्लीज वेट झगड़ा तो आप दोनों का है इसमें मेरी क्या गलती मुझे आप दोनों चाहिए मम्मी और पापा
सारे नशिबी आले निखारे उरी वादळाचे रुतले जिवारी बसले निवारी विझले सुखाचे दिवे सुटले धागे उरले मागे उसासे सुना काळजाचे विरले सारे नशिबी आले निखारे उरी वादळाचे जळत्या भुई माळरानी हरली पुरी जिंदरानी वणव्यातली राख आता सलती जात झाली माती करपून गेली आधार दे जीवाला छाया हरवून गेली अंधार दाटे दिसाला झरले अकाली पडले शिवारी रुजले विखारी सुटले धागे उरले मागे उसासे सुना काळजाचे विरले सारे नशिबी आले निखारे उरी वादळाचे
Mama, please don't push Papa away from me. Don't separate us. Papa, I want both of you. What is my mistake? Why am I being punished? I want my both parents. How can I choose only one?
And so they filed for divorce. choices, each certain of their pain. But between them sat a child, too young to choose, too scared to speak. He needed his father, he loved his mother, but the world asked him to pick one, not a parent, a side.
Why people are not listening to me? भाई तेरे से ना हो पाएगा, तू रहने दे. People want fun, freedom and no responsibility. और मैंने उनको यही